Hello students, in previous class we discussed about the Muslim League, how the Muslim League provoked and motivated the Muslim people, Muslim religious people, if it is separated then from the Hindus or from the Congress, how they are going to benefit, and if they separated financially or for the sake of job and everywhere, how they will get a better chance. So now in this class we are going to discuss about Hindu Mahasabha and RSS. Hindu Mahasabha, which was formed in 1933, and its main ideology is to unite the Hindus, and then RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, RSS, also formed immediate after Hindu Mahasabha. Hindu Mahasabha, a political party formed to protect the rights of Hindus. By seeing the Muslim League, even they too felt insecure, and their main ideology is to protect the rights of the Hindus, as during that time it was called as Hindustan. RSS formed to unite all the Hindus, similar ideology, either that is Hindu Mahasabha or RSS. Now let us go to the resolution, Lahore resolution or Pakistan resolution. The next topic is Pakistan resolution, or you can call it as Lahore resolution also, as it has taken place in Lahore. The Pakistan resolution, which is the landmark of the history of Muslims, a well noted resolution, and here the name Pakistan, which was coined by a Punjabi Muslim student of Cambridge, Chaudhary Rahmat Ali, who coined first time the name Pakistan. And Pakistan, its meaning is Pak. It has taken from the places which were mentioned by Rahmat Ali, Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Pak, that means holy, and Stan, land, holy place. Its meaning is holy place. Let us see the names whichever were now you see those are Punjab, Afghan, Kashmir, P-A-K, Pak. So this is the meaning of that one is holy. So first these places were taken, considered as the first part of that, and the Stan, that means land, holy land. The remaining two places were Sindh and Baluchistan. Even at that time, it is not considered, or it is rejected, dismissed by the Muslim League, as they thought it is mere a student's dream. But later on, in order to consider the separate state, then the name was taken by even Muslim League also. Even during that time, Muhammad Iqbal, the famous writer who wrote the song Sare Jahan Se Acha, also felt the need of a separate state. Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan Hamara. He wrote about Hindustan, but he too felt that it is there is a need to separate a separate state for Muslims. Now the Congress has to take a very serious step by seeing one side the uprising Hindu Mahasabha and RSS, the other side the strong resolutions taken by Muslim League. This is the high time for the Congress to motivate both the Muslim League, at the same time Hindu Mahasabha and RSS people, anyhow to prove that the Congress is a national party not belongs to any particular religion, and it is a high time for the Congress to secure both the sentiments of the Muslims at the same time Hindus. But after the divide and rule policy of British, the political situation in India completely changed. It was very serious, and the Muslim League started, with the support of British, started provoking people and motivating people towards the Muslim League, and those divide and rule policy adopted by Britishers through the Muslim League were Muslim League demanded autonomy, a power, a separate power to them. First of all, initially, they don't have any intention of separating their country completely, and they asked us to give them some north-west places, and those places already mentioned by Rehmat Ali, such kind of places, north-west place to be given to them. But later on, in order to make them strong and their league strong and their religion strong, with the support of Britishers, with the divide and rule policy, they started demanding that autonomy, full free power to them, a separate power, where Muslims were in majority. The places wherever Muslims were in majority, that places should be given away to them. Next demand is from 1940 to 46. Muslim League convinced Muslim masses about the benefit of a separate state. Till then, even most of the Muslims, even they used to think that India is their native place, and their Indians are their well-wishers, and Congress is one party where they have to join to get their freedom back. But now Muslim League, with the leadership of the strong leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and to separate them, he motivated them by saying, different benefits which they will get if the religious Muslim people will be separating from our country. That is, number one, no exploitation of Hindu Jamindars. At that time, you know very well, under the British leadership, India, both in North India and South India also, Jamindars were appointed. And those Jamindars, they used to collect the taxes in different way according to their own will and wish. That may be 1/4 of the crop or 3/4 of the crop, and without any other thought of the crop, whether it is good or bad. So they wanted to freedom from the Hindu Jamindars. If it is separated, if the Muslim people separated themselves, and their Jamindars are going to be Muslims, and they could understand their problem. Second one, no competition from Hindu traders, business. In business also there was a competition during that time, and they wanted to uplift their business only for which they could do for themselves. No competition from job seekers. Even those who are engaged themselves in job also, there is a tough competition during that time. So they wanted to freedom in job also, opportunities of job. The next one, greater religious freedom. They don't want any discrimination. As that time, already I have said you that India used to be called as Hindustan. So there is a dislike, and there is some kind of insecure feeling in them, which made them to separate themselves for a greater religious freedom. They can feel proudly that they were Muslims. Then the last one, freedom for Muslim ally to run government. Either it is Jamindars, otherwise at that time the British government divided our country some parts as British India and some parts for the native Indian princes. In that, whatever the elites, otherwise the power is given is completely belongs to the Hindus, and they again one kind of insecure feeling that there is no place in the government also. So they wanted a separate state for the elite of the Muslim people to run the government. Let us continue the lesson in next class.